Hi, welcome to the Ornish Kitchen. I'm Chef Miguel for Beebe Healthcare. I'm going to show you an innovative way of cooking. I'm going to be cooking without oils. I have a little canola spray, vegetable broth, and some water. That's going to help me cook my vegetables. Our ingredients is eggplant, zucchini, peppers, garlic, ginger, onions, green beans, tofu, and my aromatics, mint, basil, chili paste, lemon juice, and hoisin sauce. All right, let's get cooking. So now I'm going to show you how easy it is to cook without oils. So I have a hot pan here. I'm going to use a little bit of my canola spray, and I'm going to use my aromatics. I got my ginger. I'm going to chop a little bit of garlic. Some onions. My peppers. And we can use vegetable broth to cook our vegetables. Just a little bit at a time. I'm gonna add my zucchini, my eggplant, and my string beans. They're starting to sweat, they're starting bringing their natural flavors. And I'm going to add my chili paste, my hoisin sauce, my vinegar, rice vinegar, and my lime juice. Gonna let this cook for about 2 or 3 minutes. We're just gonna serve this with some brown rice and our Asian stir fry. Enjoy!